Everyone knows gelatin, that ingredient which makes our fruit gummies so chewy and melt in the mouth. Its use and tradition date back to ancient Egypt. Back then, gelatin-like mixtures were used as a natural glue. In the Middle Ages, gelatin was finally adopted as an ingredient for jelly-like food products. Nowadays, gelatin is part of our everyday lives. It's an indispensable natural ingredient not only in countless food products, giving them shape and texture, but also in pharmaceutical capsules for the protection of substances and their perfectly timed release into the body. Both powder and leaf gelatin are used worldwide for home cooking as well as by chefs and pastry cooks in restaurants. So how is this versatile product made? You can actually compare it with home cooking. Just allow the liquid released from skins or bones during cooking to cool down, and you get gelatin. Of course, to produce leaf or powder gelatin, there has to be a much more complex process of extraction, purification, and drying. Let's have a look. Just like in your kitchen, using a safe ingredient is a prerequisite in industrial gelatin production. This is why all raw materials have to undergo rigorous testing. Only strictly controlled products from registered slaughterhouses are used. Quality is all important. All GROW members produce accordingly to ISO and/or other high-level food safety and GMP standards. In the first step, the collagen-rich raw material is chopped up and placed in a solution in order to begin the extraction of gelatin. In the extraction stage, the solution is heated. After this, solids and fats are removed, leaving only the gelatin solution, which brings us to the purification process. The gelatin solution is passed through very fine filters, removing the last traces of fat and fine fibers. In the final step, calcium, sodium, and other salts are removed from the gelatin. The clear solution is then concentrated in a vacuum evaporation system and thickened to form a honey-like mass by water evaporation. The highly concentrated gelatin is then sterilized under strict hygienic conditions. During the entire manufacturing process, no chemical modification takes place. Next, the honey-like mass is cooled and pressed through a perforated plate, which results in jelly noodles. These noodles are then dried and ground into grains, which are stored to await further processing for different customers and applications. As an all-round natural product, gelatin can be used in a variety of ways. The specific requirements of customers can be fulfilled on the basis of gel strength, viscosity, etc. It has no allergy labeling, is free of cholesterol and gluten, and since it is a natural food, it complies with clean label standards. After all, gelatin is a real champion of the food industry.